For that. Now, the body of a police officer who was last month swept away by raging floods in Nairobi's country bus station while trying to rescue 4 people marooned by floods is yet to be retrieved. On Wednesday, a multi-agency team embarked on an operation on the scene of his disappearance in a spirited effort to retrieve his body. Lennox Sangre with the details.
The hope of finding their beloved one is what parents of Kamukunji Police Officer David Chesire are still clinging to. At the famous Machakos bus station, the scene of crime where Constable David Chesire disappeared has once again become a place of interest in the search for the officer who was swept away while rescuing 4 stranded traders marooned by heavy rains pounding Nairobi. His distraught mother clinging on to hope.
Nilikuwa naomba tu nisaidiwe tu mtoto wangu apatikane. Na akipatikana nitarudishia Mungu shukrani. Nimekuwa na huzuni mingi sana.
Anafanya kazi mzuri ya serikali. Alifanya kazi mzuri. Akaokoa mwananchi. Ningependa tu serikali atupe nguvu kidogo, aongeze bali imefikia, tuone kama nipate nafasi ya kushika mtoto yangu.
The multi-agency team encompassing those from the National Police Service handling disasters and regular police pooled resources in the aftermath of seeing Chesire's body retrieved. Here, the bulldozers returned to the same site, with police officers believing Chesire is lying here, flanked with his AK-47 rifle.
This is the place of interest because this is the point where he fell. So from some kind of scientific modeling, we are sure that he may still be here because we have scored the river up to Ruai. We have not found any leads. So we are now coming back to the point where he was swept away.
Amid the pounding rains in the country, Chesire's family, including his wife, father, mother, and nuclear family members, have been camping here at the site to retrieve their son.
Mwanzo nilisema nilimuomba Mungu anipe nguvu ya kustahimili yote nilipopata habari na nimeona mkono wake.
According to the police privy to the investigations, new details have emerged of the decomposing body of a police officer that was retrieved around River Wote, awaiting post-mortem to ascertain the identity. The officer, who was in the company of his colleagues when they came across 3 women and a child trapped in one of the stalls where a concrete slab had caved in. The 10 p.m. incident saw the officers quickly swing into action, successfully rescuing 4. However, Chesire went back to lock the doors before being swept away. Chesire was swept away together with his rifle and AK-47. It is nearly 2 months since Constable David Chesire was swept away by the marauding waters. With those spearheading this operation, believe that they will retrieve him. Lennox Sangre, TV 47.